Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel, I introduce best crypto games and projects. If you are interested in making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Today, I want to introduce another free-to-play to earn game that you can withdraw your money from it through crypto and Payrand PayPal. To download this game, you must follow these steps. First, you must open your browser and enter this URL m.money-planet.top. You can see this address in this video's description too. After that, you have to click on the Start Earning button and select the Register. On the next page, you must set an email address and password for your account and then click on the Get Verified Code button. A code will be sent to your email that you must enter. If you like, you can also use this referral code and get 100 coins as a gift. After filling out the form, click on the Sign Up Now button. After registration, you must click on the Start Earning button and click on the Android button to download the game. After downloading the game, you must click on the Activate Now button to enter the game. You must agree to the game rules and log into your account. You must log into the game with the same Gmail account that you registered on the website. After logging in, it says that you have to spin the lucky draw 6 times. To spin the lucky draw, you need to see an advertisement. The game is very simple. Just merge the same level planets to get higher level planets and earn more coins. After passing the basic training of the game, you need to go to the lucky draw section and spin the wheel. It will show you an ad. You must do this 6 times. After that, your account will be activated. To withdraw money from this game, you need at least 6,000 coins, which is worth 5.5 Tron. And if you want to withdraw your money through Payer or PayPal, you need at least 10,000 coins, which is worth 70 cents. Okay, so let's see other sections of the game. On the top right side of the main menu, there is a gift box that you can open it every 2 hours by watching an ad. At the shop, you can watch an ad and get 8 coins. You can do this 10 times a day. You can earn more coins in the award section too. Okay, now let me show you how to withdraw money from this game. To withdraw your money, you need at least 6,000 coins. After reaching the minimum amount, you must go to the game website, click on the withdraw button, and then choose a method to withdraw your money. I recommend Payer and TRX methods. In TRX method, you can earn 5.5 Tron by giving 6,000 coins. Note that you must bind your TRC20 wallet address to the website before withdrawing. You can do it just once and you can't change it, so type it carefully. I have already made a video about withdrawing money from similar games and I did the withdrawal live. You can see the link of that video at the top right of the screen. In Payer method, you can earn 70 cents by giving 10,000 coins and you can earn $1 by giving 13,000 coins. And like TRX method, you must bind your Payer account to the website. You can do it just once and you can't change it, so type it carefully. You can earn more coins by inviting your friends. For each friend, you will be given 200 coins plus 20% friends commission. But note that there is an 1,800 coins limit for each friend. Okay guys, thanks for being with us. I hope this video was useful for you. If you're interested in making money from crypto games and projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if this video was useful for you, please like it. You can earn money from these 2 games too, so don't miss them. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.